Hello, and welcome to this presentation, Getting Started with the SMCV100B XM Radio Testing. This presentation shows how to use a Rohde Schwarz SMCV100B vector signal generator to create XM radio test signals. Generating XM radio signals with the SMCV doesn't require any in-depth knowledge of SiriusXM radio, but please see the separate presentation, Understanding SiriusXM Radio, if you would like a brief technical overview of SiriusXM radio technology. The Rohde Schwarz SMCV100B is a compact vector signal generator that can be used to generate a wide variety of broadcast signals, and this includes XM radio test signals. The SMCV is operated via touchscreen and intuitive graphical user interface, but it can also be remotely controlled over VNC and supports industry-standard Skippy-based test automation. XM radio signals are created by the SMCV by means of arbitrary waveform or ARB files, and playing these ARB files requires an SMCV with 64 megasamples of ARB memory and 60 MHz of RF bandwidth. The appropriate license keys are also needed, and this is something we'll cover on the next slide. The XM radio ARB file library covers a wide range of both satellite and terrestrial signals. Playing these files requires two license codes or options: the K519 Broadcast Standards license, as well as the KV14 XM radio license. These licenses or option codes enable playback of XM radio ARB files, but these libraries must be obtained directly from SiriusXM. Like all other ARB files, the contents of these files are not directly editable by the user, but the signal frequency and signal power can be changed in real time. To load an XM radio ARB file into the SMCV, select ARB from the modulation block, and then use Load Waveform to navigate to and select the desired ARB file. These have the extension WV. After loading the ARB, simply configure the desired frequency and level, and then enable RF output to begin transmission. Let's end with a brief summary. The Rohde Schwarz SMCV100B vector signal generator can be used to create XM radio test signals using arbitrary waveform or ARB files. Signal generation and playback require the appropriate license keys or option codes, and the ARB files themselves must be obtained directly from SiriusXM. The XM radio ARB file library contains a variety of test scenarios, including both terrestrial and/or satellite signals. And although ARB file contents cannot be edited or changed by the user, the frequency and level of the signal are user adjustable in real time. This concludes our presentation, Getting Started with the SMCV100B XM Radio Testing. If you'd like to learn more about SiriusXM Radio, other broadcast signals, or broadcast test solutions from Rohde & Schwarz, please see the links in the video description. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit us at rohde-schwarz.com.